Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2014 Harley-Davidson Road King with 32,105 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a tilting Motorworks Trio front-end trike kit, tilt lock, color mesh tour pack hardware, docking hardware, Harley-Davidson spun combination aluminum speedometer with tachometer, Harley-Davidson Scream & Eagle Stage 1 intake, heated grips, headlight and passing lamp trim rings, an aftermarket exhaust, saddlebag luggage rails, luggage rack, highway footrest, handlebar mounted speakers, a windshield, engine heat shields, helmet lock, love jug cylinder cooling fans, auxiliary saddlebag lights, and a Harley-Davidson seat. The Road King is versatile, offering rugged power and towing capacity, allowing it to thrive on brief rides or extended trips. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Road King puts 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 783 pounds and has a 26.7 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.